minute.
Hello, how are we today? Good? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Julia. I'm back with another video. Literally, no one asked for this video,
but
I'm gonna do it anyways because I want to. Okay. This one is a little bit different. As you can see, I am like, what is it called? A beauty guru today. By the title, I'm sure you already know what is up, but today I am transforming into the one and only Bella Hadid. I do not think that I look like her at all. She's just, her eyes, I have small eyes, so I want to make them look a little bit more interesting, right? I know nothing really about makeup other than, yeah, I really know nothing about makeup. The eye makeup is pretty important in this look. Hopefully I can pull it off. Let's just... I'm gonna start with my eyebrows, and I don't usually start with my eyebrows. I start with concealer and foundation, but I feel like I should start with my eyebrows. Her eyebrows don't really have an arch at all. They are, like I said, just... That is what I'm going for. Let's go. I don't know. I don't know at all. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using the Benefit eyebrow pomade or gel, whatever it is. I don't know if you can tell how small the hole is, but it's not easy to get the product out. So honestly, 3 out of 10. I think I like how this is coming out. I mean, yeah, right? I'm gonna do the other eyebrow and I'll be right back. These eyebrows are long lost cousins. I think I'm gonna just try and conceal the area. Please send out a prayer.
okay.
Oh my gosh. See, this is like the patience I'm talking about. All right, so this is about as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna take my one and only palette, very old, but barely used because like I said, I don't know how to do eyeshadow. Help me. I really wanted to cheat and use tape. I don't know if that's cheating or not, but I couldn't find tape. So I have the makeup removing wipes handy because I know I will probably need them. I am doing this mostly for fun, but I also am doing like a photo shoot video today as well, and the photo idea that I have would go really nicely with this look. So here I am. I don't know which video will be posted first, probably the photo shoot video. I have done a few photo hack ideas since we have been I'm gonna go in with like an orangey color because I feel like that's what I should do. Tap it. That's a little bit too much, maybe? Okay. But like, it's blending. We are getting there. So I think I need to flick it now.
Oh, I'm so scared. I'm not doing this right.
Okay, in the mirror, it doesn't look horrible, but I feel like in this... No. To be honest, I think we're getting somewhere. Now, maybe like a brown. Oh, yeah. Other people make it look so easy. Like this is a costume. Okay, I'm not giving up. We got this. So let's do the other eye now. No! I don't know what to say at this point other than a masterpiece goes through its rough stages at some points. And this is, I'm like not really looking like her, like at all. She has a little bit of glitter and whatever, so I think what I'm gonna do is just take a light color, but ooh. Hold on. This glitter though is kind of doing something right now.
Am I foxy yet?
Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do next is conceal. Hopefully it'll carve this out kind of. What would you do? Okay, we're getting somewhere, right?
Wait a minute.
Okay, I don't want to get too carried away, but I am seeing some progress. This is not blended. I don't know what to tell you guys. Her eyeliner, honestly, it looks a little bit smudged, but I can't get over how awful this looks up here. I don't think it's horrible. I feel like I have to smudge it out because hers isn't really that sharp. Hers is just a little bit blended, so I'm gonna try and do that. Is that better? I don't know. Maybe this will all tie in together. So foundation, I guess. I don't even know what to do with my life. So this is Matte and Poreless Foundation by, maybe it's Maybelline. I really don't like a matte look. I really just wish this was dewy. But I have a dewy setting spray, so maybe that will help me. This video is gonna take forever to edit because I've been at this for like 2 hours already and not even close to being done. So please like this video if you like it. We're just gonna keep blending till I can't blend anymore. I'm excited to do the hair because I feel like that's what will... I thought I was excited and then I got scared. So people make makeup look so easy and I'm like, I can definitely do that, and then I go to try it and it's like a whole different story. She is very like, I guess let's do some harsh contour. It's an e.l.f. contour and whatever.
Defy gravity.
You know what is very important? Her nose. I don't know how to contour noses. Help me. See?
That's the scariest nose contour I've ever seen in my entire life.
Is it supposed to look like that? Like, is it supposed to just be a harsh line? I don't think so. To be fair, I don't think this looks awful, but do I look like Bella? I don't know yet. I think it's time to stop baking. Put the muffins in the freezer. Oh, I forgot about my TikTok. Okay, let me do that really quick. Why do I look so weird? Okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. We'll keep that. Okay, I'm not mad so far. It could be worse. I'm hoping and kind of almost relying on the hair to bring this look all the way together. I think something is not right about my eyes. I need better products. I'm getting sick of this. How's her jawline? Wow, her jawline is
impressive.
Let's do this. I've had this little sample. I love it. Okay, I'm trying to be like quite strategic. This is all about defying gravity. So I'm trying to go. No! Don't leave me now. Stay in there. Okay, my camera's about to die. And I only have one battery. Oh, help me. And we're back. Off camera, I did my mascara and my lips. Nothing special at all. I don't have lashes, so I just did the mascara. She has a really strong, what is this called? Cupid's bow or something. So I just tried to do that. My battery does not have a long time in it because I only had it charging for a couple minutes. So let's just jump into the hair and get this over with because it's already been like 3 hours. I don't know how you guys do this. I give you guys so much props. Okay, so I'm gonna just take a part in the front, and it's not gonna be perfect because I don't have time for perfect. Okay, I'm just wanting to get to the end of this look. So I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down. My hair is so short. Bobby pins. Need to take a piece of this, like so, and wrap that thing around. Flick it. If anything, I practice my makeup. I'm not mad at it, but I don't think it looks much like her makeup. I don't know. You guys can be the judge, but for not being that great at makeup, I'm kind of proud of myself. I think what I'm seeing like went wrong was this is too rounded. It needs to be more sculpted. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. If you like this video, please like it. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.